Welcome to Kiddo Learning Club. Watch, read, listen, learn. Hello children, now today we will learn our solar system. So let's start. First planet is Sun. Sun is a very big planet and life of Earth depends on Sun. Now second is Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in solar system. Now third number is Venus. The size of the Venus same as the Earth. Now fourth planet is Earth. Earth is a place where all live. Now fifth planet is Mars. Mars is a rocky and red planet. Sixth planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Now seventh planet is Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in solar system. Eighth planet name is Uranus. Uranus is the coldest planet in solar system. Ninth planet is Neptune. Neptune is the planet in solar system not visible to the naked eyes. Thanks for watching.